Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for the MPSC Civil Engineering Mains exam. First, thoroughly understand the exam pattern and detailed syllabus. Next, prioritize subjects based on their weightage and your personal strengths. Finally, create a realistic and achievable study schedule to ensure consistent progress throughout your preparation journey. To study effectively, focus on building strong conceptual clarity across all civil engineering subjects. Regularly practice solving previous year's question papers to understand the exam's demands and improve time management. Additionally, create concise, easy-to-review notes for quick revision of important formulas and theories before the exam. For resources, choose standard textbooks and reliable study materials that cover the entire syllabus comprehensively. Dedicate specific time slots for daily and weekly revision to reinforce your learning. Regularly attempting mock tests is crucial to evaluate your preparation level, identify weak areas, and improve your overall performance. On exam day, maintain a positive mindset and effectively manage any stress. Carefully read each question before attempting to answer it, ensuring you understand the requirements fully. Allocate your time wisely across all sections of the paper to ensure you can attempt every question and maximize your score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.